Hey everyone! Today we are talking about a powerful supplement called Astaxanthin and how it boosts endurance quickly. This red-orange pigment makes salmon pink and flamingos colorful. It stands out as one of the most potent antioxidants discovered by science. Athletes find it remarkable because it increases endurance by 18% in just 4 days. Researchers at China Medical University published findings in BMC Sports Science Medicine and Rehabilitation during 2025. They gave 10 healthy young men 28 milligrams of astaxanthin daily for 4 days. The study used a crossover design where every participant served as their own control. This method ensures the results reflect the supplement effects rather than individual differences. Men cycled at 75% of their maximum oxygen uptake until they could not continue. Those taking astaxanthin rode for 30 minutes longer than when they took the placebo. This extra time amounts to an 18% increase in endurance performance. The group also showed lower levels of creatine kinase in their blood after exercise. Lower creatine kinase levels indicate less muscle damage during the hard effort. Their lactate dehydrogenase levels were also lower than the placebo group. This enzyme signals tissue damage, so lower numbers mean better muscle preservation. Malondialdehyde levels dropped too, which shows reduced oxidative stress on cell membranes. Astaxanthin spans the entire cell membrane, including water-soluble and fat-soluble parts. This structure allows it to neutralize free radicals on both sides simultaneously. Most antioxidants only work on one side of the cell wall. Mitochondria produce free radicals during intense energy production, and this supplement stops them before damage occurs. Muscle cells keep contracting longer before they fail under this protection. The supplement improves fat oxidation and helps the body use fat as fuel more efficiently. Sparing glycogen stores allows athletes to sustain effort for a longer duration. More fat burning plus less oxidative damage equals significantly more endurance capacity. Manufacturers extract this compound from the microalgae Haematococcus pluvialis. The algae produces astaxanthin as a protective shield when stressed by sunlight. Wild salmon accumulate this pigment from eating krill and small crustaceans that feed on the algae. Natural astaxanthin from this algae source is significantly more bioavailable than synthetic versions. University of Washington study found astaxanthin supplementation during walking builds muscle in older adults. Walking normally does not build large muscles, but this combination changes that outcome. A 2020 Japanese study showed a mix of resveratrol and astaxanthin accelerated muscle growth in strength athletes. Another study found daily doses of 6 milligrams reduce facial wrinkles and improve skin elasticity. The 4-day event protocol requires 28 milligrams of astaxanthin per day before your event. You must take it with a meal containing some fat for proper absorption. Astaxanthin is fat-soluble, so absorption is much better with food than without it. On day 4, your body is boosted and ready for high-intensity performance. Most commercial supplements come in 4 or 8 or 12 milligram capsules. You would need to take 3 to 7 capsules per day to hit the 28 milligram target. This high dose is not a daily supplement you take year-round. Think of it like a loading phase before a race or competition or hard training block. A bottle of 12 milligram capsules with 60 count costs about $20 to $25. That amount covers roughly one 4-day cycle for a single athlete. An 18% endurance increase from a government-funded human study is highly cost-effective. This performance boost arrives without stimulants or complex stacking protocols. Long-term use involves lower doses of 4 to 12 milligrams per day for general health. These doses support anti-aging effects and skin health and muscle preservation in older adults. Always look for natural source astaxanthin from algae rather than synthetic options. This ensures you get the full bioavailability and potency described in the research. 2025 Taiwan study proves a short cycle delivers an 18% endurance increase. Muscle damage markers drop even when exercise duration increases significantly. You need 112 milligrams total over 4 days to replicate these results. Take the supplement with fat-containing meals to maximize absorption rates. Thank you for listening, and I will see you next time.